Good morning all, Joe from Florida. Loving my new GenStone product that we put on the house. Did a little bit around the master window. Kind of changed it up from like what that used to look like down to this. We did a little enhancers around the garage doors. You can see a little bit of it from here. Everybody in the neighborhood loves it. Definitely gives a good accent to the house. Picked the color because it had the most vibes in it. When we decide to paint, you can have many patterns to choose from. Easy installation, even for myself with somebody of minimal carpenter skills, and it turned out absolutely great. I love the product.